Hey guys! This is a bit of an exciting video. So fairly recently my channel hit 300,000 subscribers. Absolutely insane. That number actually scares me a little bit. I've told myself that I'm not going to get too soppy in this video, but I would just like to quickly say thank you so much if you're subscribed to my channel. Honestly, it means more than I will ever be able to tell you. I feel like I'll always wish I could do more for you guys, but for now I think this giveaway is a pretty good way to say thank you, even if I do say so myself. So I've known that I've wanted to do a giveaway for 300k since I was at about 290,000, so this giveaway has been a long process. I'm so pleased with the prizes that I've put together. Some of my absolute favourite products. I feel like this giveaway really represents me as a person. So there are a whole range of prizes here, some of which have been very kindly sent to me by brands for this giveaway. Some of the others are duplicate products which have been sent to my PO box, which I already own and love. But obviously, I don't need two of everything. So hopefully one of you guys will love those as much as I do. And some of the other items I've contributed myself. So without further ado, I'm going to get on and show you the prizes. But I would just quickly like to say that as well as this main giveaway, I am also doing a second giveaway over on my Instagram, but I'm not going to go through those prizes in this video. You'll have to go and check out my Instagram to see those and see how to enter. I'm so glad that I'm able to do a giveaway on a second platform as well, because I know not everyone has a YouTube account. But even if you've got a YouTube account and an Instagram, you might as well enter both. Twice the chance of winning something in it. So now I actually am going to get on and show you the prizes, and then at the end of the video I will tell you how to enter and how you can win all of these lovely products. So I'm going to start off with what I think, in my opinion, is the main product. If you guys have been here since 100k, this is going to be a little throwback. You guys know I love Tiffany. There's just something I think about Tiffany jewellery that feels really, really special. As you can see, I always wear my two Tiffany necklaces. In my 100k giveaway, I gave away this smaller double heart one, and in this giveaway, I'm giving away this bigger heart. I just think it's such a cute idea that we can have matching necklaces. And the girl who won my first Tiffany necklace actually messaged me to say that she was still wearing it, which was so lovely. So yeah, the first prize that you could win is the classic big heart Tiffany necklace. It's silver, it's lovely and dainty. It's probably my favourite Tiffany item that I own. The staff in Tiffany even put a little bow on your bag, how cute. And then it's probably going to arrive in the bigger bag as well, just to keep it a bit more protected. I'm not going to get the actual necklace out of the bag to show you because I will leave that for you to open. I feel like that's quite a special part, is opening the necklace for the first time. So yeah, I'm going to leave that bit to you. Now I'm going to move on to the skincare section of the prizes. You know, there's a lot when you've got to divide it out. So the first few bits that you could win are a few products from the new Zoella range. These are duplicate products. I recently received the PR package and I absolutely love them. I was so happy when I found out these were going to go in the giveaway. So the first thing you will win is the Drench Me Bubble Bath Soak. This smells incredible and it's one of my favourite packaging of any product ever. It looks so LA. Next up, we've got the Zoella Lagoon Love Bath Milk Powder. Zoe's bath powders are my favourite product of hers. And then we also have the beauty bag from her new range. Next up, from Soap & Glory, we've got this little duo set. So in here is the Righteous Butter and the Flake Away body polish. And then we've got this bad boy. These are some Soap & Glory classics, and the Sugar Crush scent is my absolute favourite from Soap & Glory. So you will win this little box of delights. Then we have the L'Oreal Paris Smooth Sugars Clear Scrub. I recently received all three of these, and this one is definitely my favourite. This purifies and lifts blackheads. Absolutely amazing. I love it. Hope you love it too. Next up, we've got a few face masks. So here I have a couple of Korean face masks. I received a whole bunch of these not long ago, and I thought it might be nice if you could try a couple out as well. And also this cute little face mask from Holler & Glow. This is the Fruit Loop Moisturising Fruit Jelly Face Mask. Next up, we've got a really, really natural moisturiser. This is the Pure Potions Skin Salvation Daily Moisturising Cream. This is made with really natural products, really easy on your skin. And again, I feel like the packaging of this is really satisfying. Next up, we've got the Sanctuary Spa Miracle Moisture Trio. 3 little moisturising products, love it. Then from the Body Shop, these are also duplicate products and I absolutely love them. We have their new body yogurts. So this is the strawberry one and this is the almond milk one. The almond milk absolute fave. I use it all the time. I think the body yogurts are one of my favourite products from the Body Shop, so I'm very happy that these are in the giveaway. We've then got my absolute favourite face mask. I talk about this all the time, like you've defo heard me talk about this on my channel. So this is the Body Shop's Himalayan Charcoal Face Mask. Oh my goodness, I can't rave about it enough. The Body Shop's Skin Defense Multi-Protection Essence. One of the Body Shop's perfumes. This one is my favourite. I never know how to pronounce it, but this is the Sweetania. Still baffles me. But this is a really nice, fresh, floral scent. Moving on, we've got a little bit of hair care. So first up is the Body Shop's Fuji Green Tea Cleansing Hair Scrub. We've then got the Paddle Hairbrush from the Body Shop. This is made of bamboo, and to me, it feels like it massages your scalp as you brush your hair. Don't know if that's just me, but I like it. And then we have the Original Fragrance Dry Shampoo from Collab. Okay, I'm back with the second batch of products. So now I'm going to move on to the makeup section. First of all is another prize which I'm so excited about. I did a Twitter poll on this, and this is the one that you guys liked best. So first up, we have the Violet Voss Holy Grail eyeshadow palette. I'm going to throw it out there. This is my favourite eyeshadow palette of all time. I've used it in loads of my videos. I talk about it quite a lot in my vlogs as well. And I did a Twitter poll between the Holy Grail palette and a different Violet Voss palette. And you guys went for Holy Grail. I personally think that was the best choice. I'm going to get mine quickly to show you the colours because I don't want to open this one. Okay, so this is my palette. I'm not sure how well you can see, but it's been very well used. But as you can see, it's like pinky shades, browny shades, a little bit of orange. Really easy colours to work with, and that is why it's my #1. So this is my one, and this could be your one. So excited about that. Next up, you could be the proud owner of 4 NYX Lingerie lip glosses. So these ones are the glitter glosses. I have some of these as well. I don't have these exact shades, but I absolutely loved these ones. So these are in the shade Clear, Shy, Sable and Honeymoon. Gorgeous, gorgeous lip product. I'm actually wearing one of the shimmer ones on my lips today. Feels so nice on your lips, so yeah, they could be yours. Next up from Allure, you've got this Blend and Care False Eyelash Blender. Basically, when you're wearing false lashes, you use this product to blend them into your real lashes. Then 3 products from Luminate, which are a brand from Finland. So first up, you've got the Instant Glow Beauty Serum. Then you've got the Arctic Dew Aqua Serum and the Nordic Sea Glow Boost Essence. This is going to be a little bit difficult to show you, but I've got you some foundations. So these are the Body Shop's Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation. One of my absolute favourites. It works wonders for my skin. I rarely use foundation, but when I do, this is one of the 2 that I use. So obviously, here I've got all different shades, and one person isn't going to need all these shades. So what I will do is I will send a clear picture to the winner, let them choose 3 shades, because it's quite hard to judge what colour foundation you're going to be just from a picture online. I've had that struggle in the past. There's nothing worse than ordering a foundation and it being wrong. I'll give you a bit of an option. You can choose the 3 shades that you think would match your skin tone the closest, and then you will also win the Body Shop's lightening and darkening drops. I have sworn by these for so long now. You can lighten your foundation or you can darken your foundation if your shade isn't quite right. So I feel like with all these products combined, you're going to find your perfect foundation here. Next up from Revolution, we have their fairly new Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. So I have 5 different shades of this. I'm just going to send all of them to one person. You can either give them to your friends or decide what you want to do with them. Then also from Revolution, we have some of their Nude Collection lip glosses. So here we've got 2 glosses, 1 matte and 1 metallic, so a nice little range there. I swear you're never going to need any more lip products ever again. And also so excited about this one. We have the Urban Decay Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss in the shade Naked. I've got a couple of these lip glosses and they feel amazing on your lips, so yeah, you could win one of those. And also the Nip and Fab Lip Topper. I'm really into lip toppers right now. So basically you put any colour lip gloss on, put a lip topper on the top, and it turns it either so shiny or holographic. Super duper pretty, makes you feel like a mermaid. We've also got a couple more lip toppers from Collection. These are the Glam Crystals holographic lip toppers. And again from Revolution, we've got their liquid highlighter in the shade Liquid Starlight. This looks so pretty. From Nip and Fab, we've got a translucent setting powder. I'm all about a setting powder these days. Absolute life-changing product, I'm telling you. We have a range of nails. So these are all from Elegant Touch. The first ones are like a nudie colour with glitter tips, so pretty. The second are like like a classic French manicure. And the third are these navy nails with gold detail. They are so gorgeous. I'm definitely going to have to invest in these same ones for myself. Amazing. Next up, we've got this little set from L'Oreal. This is their Pore Refiner Shaping Kit. So in here you get a primer, a couple of highlighters and a blending brush. It's also the Infallible range, which is my other favourite foundation. Absolutely love L'Oreal's Infallible range. It is an absolute winner. We've then got this beautiful little palette from Soap & Glory. So in here, if I open it up, you get a lip gloss, 2 cream blushes and 3 eyeshadows. Such a nice little compact palette. From a brand called Hare. P-U-R, I think that's how you pronounce it. This was very kindly sent to my PO box. We have another eyeshadow palette. So in here you've got some purples, a pink, some more neutral shades. Between this and the Violet Voss palette, you've got a lot to work with. Incredible have sent over a whole bunch of goodies. So in here there are 4 different highlight products and there are a bunch of lip products as well. Lip glosses, lipsticks, you name it, it's in this holographic bag. How cool is the bag as well? Love that. And the final item of this giveaway, you could win yourself this set of makeup brushes. In here there are a range of eye brushes and face brushes. Pretty much every brush you would ever need is in this bag, and it also comes with this cool holographic-y bag. I really wanted to keep this for myself, I'm not gonna lie, but I have so many makeup brushes. So I've saved it for you guys. They are such pretty brushes as well. They've got little purple tips on them. I honestly think this is the perfect set of brushes. Like, there are so many in here, and there's a brush for everything you could ever need a brush for. And these are from GWA. Whew, that took a while. So that is everything in this giveaway, from skincare to hair care to nails to makeup to the Tiffany necklace. You name it, if it's in my bedroom, it's in this giveaway. So now let's get down to the nitty gritty. So this giveaway is open internationally. No matter where you live in the world, whether it's in the UK or out of the UK, you can enter this giveaway. I will ship it to wherever it needs to go. This giveaway is open for 3 weeks, so you can enter this giveaway until the 16th of August. So to enter this giveaway, there are 3 simple steps. First of all, you must be subscribed to my channel. Second of all, you must be following me over on Instagram. And the third thing that you need to do is comment down below telling me what you love about YouTube. I want to hear your YouTube story. But also make sure you leave your Twitter or Instagram account so that I have some way of contacting you if you do win this giveaway. The winner will be picked completely at random via a generator, but I will be checking that the winner has done all 3 of the above before I message you. If you're confused about those instructions, I'll leave it all in the description down below so you can go and read it. And don't forget that I'm also doing the second giveaway on Instagram, so head over to my Instagram post to see what you could win there and how you can enter that one. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. Thank you again so much for 300,000 subscribers. It honestly feels so overwhelming, and I still can't quite believe that it's actually happened to me. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a lovely week. Good luck in the giveaway. I'm so excited for one of you guys to win it. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!